Hey guys, how's it going? In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to level a floor. So for me, I'm doing a bathroom remodel. That's the reason I'm self-leveling the floor. Um, and there's a few things that you're going to need to start off with. So first off, get yourself a 5-gallon bucket. That's $3. Get yourself a round edge trowel, otherwise known as a pool trowel. I think that's about 10 to 20 bucks, depends what you get. You can also get, what I used was a Mapei self-leveler. It's called Mapei Self-Leveler Plus. That was 30 bucks. I also used the Mapei Primer T. That was 12 bucks. And then let's see, so I also used something called a Trade Underlay Spiked Screeding Compound Roller. I'll show a picture. That was 26 bucks. And maybe you might want some tape and paper. That's just to cover up the walls in case you need to cover up walls if you have finished walls and you don't want to get any spray on them. So yeah, the other thing that you can use is you could use a shovel to mix this, or it'd be a lot easier to get yourself a drill. That's what I used. I used a nice drill to mix all of this stuff to make it a lot easier on myself. Here's the instructions for the Mapei Primer T. It tells you where to use it. I'm using it for concrete. My concrete is absorbent, so here it says if you're going to use it on absorbent concrete, which is what I'm expecting that you guys are going to use it on, use it as a 1-to-1 ratio. So, 1 cup of primer, 1 cup of water. That's all you need to do. Other thing you need to do is pay attention to the temperature. Make sure that it's not freezing, so make sure that it's between 50 degrees and 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Besides that, I think you're good, so let's get straight to it. Here I'm going to put this information up so in case you guys want to read it, so I'll just go slow. If you want to read it, there it is. If not, just skip ahead. So yeah, just pause it because I don't want to take too much time here. But there you go. If you want this information, it's on their website, so you can just go to their, I think it's mapei.com or something like that, or you can get it from Lowe's. Okay, so here we're starting to mix the Mapei. This is a primer. The whole point of the primer is just so that the self-leveler can really stick to the concrete floor. So all I'm doing right now is just pouring the whole bottle in. All you need is one whole bottle, and I'm going to go ahead and fill that bottle with water and then just pour right in there, and that'll be my 1-to-1 ratio. So next comes the water. Okay, so the liquid's in there. It says to mix it slowly. I'm going to use this mixer here. I just have to go slow and be careful. So I'm going to start mixing and nice and slow. It says mix it for 3 minutes. That's going to be a long 3 minutes, so I'll do that. Okay, so we're going to go ahead. It's been mixed for like plenty of time. Here it is. Now I'm just going to go ahead and put it over here. It's been vacuumed, nice and clean, so let me get a little bit closer. Just throw it down there. And just start rolling it in there. Yeah. This is real fun to do with one hand. Yeah, you just want it to get everywhere. So here we are, we're rolling the Mapei. I already rolled some of it on there over here. Just get a nice amount on there. Always start furthest away and bring that way put it away from where you're going. Put it away from the entrance, I should say, and work it this way, since the entrance is behind us. I'm going to just go ahead and, so over there is good. Whew. Okay, so it's on there. It says that you should wait 2 to 5 hours before you apply the leveling compound. So that's what I'm gonna do. We'll wait a couple hours and then I'm gonna go. So yeah, it's kind of stinky. Leave it ventilated, and just wait. Okay, I mixed the Mapei self-leveling plus for about 3 minutes. It says 2, but I mixed it for 3, so whatever. I already have the primer tea down. It's dried. It's about 3 hours now. And I'm just gonna go ahead and pour some of this over on that end and then work it towards the door. So let's get started. Okay, here we go. Let's see how this goes. Whew. Come on, God, help us out here, please, baby. Okay, just pour a bunch of it down there. It's coming this way. Let's go ahead and push it everywhere. Okay, let's pour a bit more. Let's pour it in the corner. Whoa, that was a lot. Okay. Maybe not so much. Yeah, I don't know, I've never done this. What can I tell you? Let's let it fill into that corner. There we go. One over here. There you go. Come on, baby. Where do you want to go? Just like that. I only mixed one bag, a 50-pound bag, so I'm really hoping that that'll do it. I don't know, we'll see. Anyhow, if I have to mix another one, I'm going to have to be pretty quick about this. And I'm not known for being super quick, so yeah, let's cross our fingers and hope that one will do it. But it doesn't. You want me to pour a little bit more on here? Let's pour some here. Okay, there's that. I don't know how well you can see it. Here it is so far. Trying to mix it and film at the same time. Probably not the best idea, but hey, what the heck. Just I'm gonna push it into the corner. Man, this thing is like so silky. So silky smooth. I likes it. Okay, now we're starting to bring it over to where actually it needs to go. There you go. Oh man, this is going on kind of thick. Didn't really want it this thick. But there you go, get in the corner. There you go. Oh, I've got a kind of an empty spot there. Just moving it back and forth. I don't want to play with it too much because that's a major no-no. Okay, I'm gonna actually use both my hands here. I don't know if I should get another one.
you want to finish it now or no?
Huh?
Do you want to finish it in a while, honey? That looks pretty nice.
Well, it's still spreading, which is good.
Smells horrible.
Okay, so we just poured the cement, we mixed it. Now I'm just trying to make sure that there's no bubbles. I try to level it as best as I could. I only use a trowel, so we're going to see how that ends up. I'm hoping it ends up fantastically awesome. Yeah, so now it's just going over it with this spike rake. You can get this puppy for like 26 bucks on Amazon, 24, 17 sometimes. Yeah, so all this thing is supposed to do is just making sure you get rid of all the bubbles. And I don't really care if I have bubbles, but I'm actually hoping that I can somewhat move some of the cement with it too. I don't know if I am or if I'm not, but I'm trying. So, yeah, that's basically it. You mix the cement, and then you just go over it. Make sure it's nice and flat, nice and smooth. This should hopefully make it so that I don't have any. Oops. Okay, so I think now I'm just going to leave it. I think now it's getting ready to set up. And yeah, let me come back over here. Ooh, this part's kind of dangerous. Alright. Oh no. Yeah, don't move it around too much. Or you're going to overwork it. And I'm getting close to that point now, so I think I'm going to stop now. I've moved around as best I could. And I think I'm pretty much done. I shouldn't have any bubbles now, I hope. Not that I care, but I don't want any bubbles. Now, I've never done this before, so I think this is going to be good, but I don't know. We'll find out, see how it ends up. Okay, let's go wash this up. I'm going to leave that like that. I'm just going to smooth out these last pieces right here. Just this right here. That's it. I'm leaving it. So hopefully that comes out alright. I can see a little bit of a bump right there. I'm not too thrilled about that, but oh well. It's gonna have to do. Oh, I'm dripping. Okay, that's good. Okay, so it hasn't quite been 24 hours, but I'm itchy to see the fruits of my labor. So hopefully this turned out awesome. Okay, so I mean, it is super smooth, I gotta tell you. I don't know if there's a little bit of a lip here, if that's just... I don't know, I can't really see it. But this looks super smooth. I mean, for my first time, I think that's pretty daggone good. Let me go get a straight edge to see how straight it is. I don't know if I can walk on it yet. I think I can, but not 100% certain. But yeah, I mean, there's a tiny bit you can barely feel right there. But over there, I mean, everything just looks so smooth. Actually, even touching it, it's just so smooth. That's nice. That's beautiful. Yeah, I mean, really cool. Not too shabby. Nice. Yeah, that's nice. Let me go get a... Okay, got my straight edge here. Oh, 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 oh. Check that out. Oh, so beautiful. So level. Oh yeah. Yeah, totally level. I mean, this is awesome. You know, it looks great. Totally freaking level. You know, beautiful. Oops. It is totally level. Totally great. This is good. Damn, dude, this is my first time. Huh. I wonder how much these, you know what, I don't know. I don't know how much they charge the level, but I think I did a pretty damn good job. I mean, this is perfect for tiling. That's where I kind of scratched it, or put my hands on it. Over here, let's go check out that. So you can see, perfectly level. This is awesome. You know, one pour, I had that big gap there. This is, tomorrow I'm going to throw down some tile and tile all around here. I put that lip around the flange just in case, but didn't need it. So yeah, I mean, we're ready to go. We're ready to rock. This is awesome. Woohoo! Good job, Mapei. Good job. Or Mapei, I guess you want to call it that.